Data definition language DDL, a set of statements that allow users to define or modify data structure and objects. So in DDL we have create, alter, drop, rename and truncate statements. So let's explore each one by one. So first, starting with the create statement. So in create statement we can create a database and tables. So first let's create our database. So syntax is create database and then the database name. So let's create practice. Okay, for executing we have this power button, so we can click on it, or either we can use the shortcut key control enter. So below in the output we can see database practice is created. So if you go to your schema and you can click this refresh button, so you can see here practice schema is created. Okay, so similar way, if I need to create if I open this practice schema, you can see in tables nothing is created right now. So let's create one table, create table, and then the table name. So I will name it as sales, and in this I will add one column, let's say sales amount, and it will be a integer. So syntax is like create table, then table name, then the variables and their data type. So variable is amount, the data type is integer. I will click control enter. Okay, we can see here one error is there. What is the error? No database is selected. So whenever we are creating the table, first we need to make sure we will use our database, use practice. I will declare here use practice. Okay, so right now this is in practice database, and if I click control enter now, so I can see this table is created. Okay, I'll refresh schema, so I can see in the table section sales table is created. Okay, so next, so this one we can say this is our examples for create statements. Next we will check the alter statement. Okay, so now I have this table sales, in that I have only one amount column. If I want to add suppose date of purchase when that sales happen, so I need to add one date. So how can I do that? I already created this table, but that time I forgot to enter one more field. So this can be done with the alter statement. So what is the syntax for this? I will first write alter, then table, then the table name. For my table, this my name is sales, so I will write sales. Then what operation I need to perform here is I want to add column, then I can give the column name, which column I want to add. So I want to add the date of let's say sales, date of sales, and this should be the data type for this will be date. Okay, now if I click control enter, so my statement got executed. Suppose if you want to check the structure, so let's use select star from, and what is my table name? It is sales. So select star from sales, control enter. So here I can see previously when I created only amount column is there. Now I have date of purchase also, which is added with the help of alter statement. Okay, so after this, this was the example for create a statement first. Then we have seen the alter statement. Now we will move to third, the drop statement. Okay, so in this, suppose if this table I have created, the sales table, by any time if I don't want this table, okay, so how I can delete this table? Deleting means I need to drop the structure as well. So I will use the drop statement. So it will delete this complete object. So what is the syntax for drop statement? It says drop table sales, and I will click control enter. So I can see the statement got executed. And if you go to the schema, you will find in the table column the table is got deleted. So entire with the structure table also got deleted from this. If I want to check if that particular table exists or not, select star from sales. Let's execute it. So I am getting the error because this table doesn't exist. Okay, so this one is the example for the drop statement. Next, rename. Okay, I'm executing again this table column. Okay, now my table is created. Okay, sales table is created, and suppose if I want to rename my table. Okay, so how I can rename my table? I will write simply rename, then rename table. What is the current name of my table? It is sales. Okay, to let's say new name will be sales 1. Okay, or I can write purchase. Okay, so previously my table name is sales. Now I want to change my table name from sales to purchase. I will write rename table previous table name to new table name. I will write control enter. Statement got executed. How can I check? If I refresh my schema, so you can see sales is now changed to purchase. Okay, and I can use that select statement also. Select star from. Now what I will write? Purchase. Okay, it is executed. But if you see, if I write sales, then it will give me an error. Why? Because that sales table doesn't exist. It is now renamed to purchase. Okay, now another one we have last for this DDL command, we have truncate statement. Truncate statement. So what did this truncate statement will do? Rather than deleting the entire table, okay, which we have seen in this drop statement, rather than deleting this complete table, what this truncate statement, what it will do, it will remove the data whatever present in the table and the structure remains the same. Okay, how it will work, let's see by an example. Before this, So before this, we can see right now our table is empty. So let's add some entry in this table. I will do insert into purchase values. So I have added some entries with the help of insert statement. So right now we can see, so there are 4 entries present in this table. So we will use the truncate statement. So the syntax is truncate table, then the table name. So right now our table name is not sales, it is changed to purchase. So I will write purchase and I will hit control enter. So I can see truncate statement got executed, but right now if you see in the schema section, you can see still purchase table is there. If I execute the same statement within drop, so it will delete my complete table. But what truncate has done, let's see. If I run this select star from purchase, so I can see all my data got deleted. So in the truncate statement, structure remains the same, only all our data which is present in this table got deleted.